February 10th, and we are going to do the 5 off of 25 deal at Family Dollar. Now I did ask, and they said I could film, so if I feel comfortable filming, my store's not really like busy, but it's a small town and everybody shops here. But I'm gonna try to share with you guys some deals. There's a couple deals that I want to do, and let's see if we can get it as low as we can on this nice cold morning. But let's go inside and have some fun. So here we have the Glade products. Now you can just do the regular warmer one for $2.55. There is a $2.50 digital coupon. You would just get this for 5 cents, but I feel like I have a ton of warmers, so I am getting the one with the scent with it. So these are $3.60, and you're gonna use that $2.50 coupon, making this just $1.10, which is still a great deal. Here we have the Suavitel Complete, the 70 sheets. It says it's 2 for $5 or $3.10. I think it's going to be $3.10, but I will let you guys know at the end of the video. But anyways, you're going to pay $3.10, but then there is that $1 off digital coupon. You'll get this for $2.10. Here we have the Olay body wash. This is my favorite scent, but these are $2 in the travel section. You're going to buy 3 of them and pay $6. But then we currently have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that does pop up when you scan the items, making all 3 of them just $1 or 33 cents. And then here we have the Ajax dish soap on sale for just, or not on sale, but regular price $2.85. Then we have a $1 off digital coupon, making this just $1.85. Here we have the Dial dish soap. Now you can do the ones that are $2.75, and you're going to use that $1 off of 2. I'm going to get the foaming one because I like the foam soap, and these are $3, and you're going to use that $1 off of 2. So these come out to be just $5, or I didn't do the math on these, but maybe like a little bit less than $5. It's loud where I'm standing, but you can get the Dixie 56 bowls for $6.95, or you can get the 44 plates for $6.94. We use plates like crazy. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna use the $1.45 off digital coupon, making them just $5.50. But there is an Ibotta deal where you guys can get $1.10 back, and it doesn't say you can't use coupons with it. So you're gonna get $1.10 back, making this just $4.40 for a thing of paper plates. Here is everything that I got, and I'll show you guys my total once I get in the car. Okay, I am back from Family Dollar. So make sure you guys also, for the 5 off of 25, they have like a whole long list of all the Saturdays. So make sure you just clip every single one. Just clip every single one. I know people were having problems with that last week, but yeah. So I got everything that I shared with you guys. My total before coupons was $28.50. After coupons, or then with coupons, it was $11.95, but then they had that additional $5, so I saved $16.95 worth of savings. And then I got my $1.10 back with Ibotta. So my grand total for all 9 items was $10.45. $10.45, which I think is a pretty good deal. I ended up getting 9 items at just $1.16 each. Now I am excited for the plates because we use paper plates all the time and they just keep going up. So I got that. And then I love the foaming soap over the regular soap, so that's why I got the foaming soap. Like, yes, I know it, like, the couponer in me always gets the cheapest thing. I always get the cheapest thing, but sometimes you gotta figure out, am I going to use that? Is that something I'm going to use? And we rather use the foaming soap. My kids like foaming soap more than anything else. So got that. And then with the Glade thing, like, I have so many of those plugins. It's ridiculous. I have so many empty plugins of the Glade, the Febreze, the Airwick. But one thing we don't really coupon for very much is the scents. So for $1 more, I could have gotten the scent. So that's what I ended up doing. So that was everything that I got. Yeah, my store had some like clearance items, but they just weren't cheap enough. I've been eyeing up these like pants for my son, but they just weren't cheap enough. So that's okay. But that was everything that I got. If you guys enjoy, you know, these Family Dollar hauls, I know a lot of you guys said on my Facebook page you were interested in it. So definitely check out that. But yeah, it's kind of bright where I'm sitting. You guys can't see me very well. But yeah, that was everything that I got. I hope you guys have an awesome Saturday, an awesome weekend. It's Super Bowl Sunday tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Give this video a great big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next week. See you later, and bye-bye.